Want to turn your home into a smart, luxurious space that feels effortless to live in? These Amazon gadgets combine sleek design with high-end tech to simplify your routine and elevate every corner of your home. From lighting to comfort to convenience, they're made to make life smoother and smarter. All product links are in the description below. Why waste paper towels when you can dry your hands in seconds? This compact hand dryer brings commercial-level performance straight into your home. It blasts out high-speed air through a built-in HEPA filter, keeping things clean and hygienic every time you use it. The touch-free sensor makes it totally hands-free, and the sleek stand lets you move it anywhere: bathroom, kitchen, or bar. Who knew a toilet could feel this luxurious? This smart design combines modern elegance with high-tech comfort, featuring a heated seat and warm air dryer that make every visit feel like a spa moment. Adjustable washing modes offer a gentle, personalized clean for both rear and feminine care, with customizable pressure and position. The seat closes softly and silently. No more loud slams in the middle of the night. Sleek, smart, and effortless, it turns everyday hygiene into pure comfort. Who says work and fitness can't mix? This clever 3-in-1 workstation combines a standing desk, a comfy chair, and a built-in pedal exerciser, all in one sleek setup. You can sit, stand, or cycle while you work, watch shows, or browse online. Adjustable height levers make it perfect for everyone in the family. With smooth rolling wheels, it moves wherever you need it. Productivity just got a workout. It's not just a mirror, it's your private cinema. This waterproof smart TV hides behind a sleek, reflective surface, turning into a crystal clear 4K display the moment you switch it on. With advanced IP66 protection, it shrugs off steam, splashes, and humidity, making it perfect for bathrooms, spas, or even the kitchen. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and streaming apps let you enjoy your favorite shows hands-free using the voice remote. When the screen's off, it disappears into a luxury mirror, pure magic for modern living. Ever wished your light could cool the room too? This socket fan light screws in just like a regular bulb, but gives you both bright illumination and a refreshing breeze. You can adjust the fan speed, set a timer, or change the light color, all from the remote. It runs quietly, saves energy, and rotates 360 degrees to spread air evenly. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or any small space that needs instant comfort. Imagine drying your hair without holding a thing. This wall-mounted hairdryer bracket frees your hands so you can style, apply skincare, or even multitask with ease. The adjustable arm lets you aim the dryer exactly where you need it, giving you full control of your look. It installs without drilling, just stick it on and go. Space-saving, stylish, and surprisingly handy for pets too. This tiny vacuum packs a serious punch. It's a 4-in-1 gadget that vacuums, blows air, inflates, and even works as a compression pump. The cordless design makes it perfect for cleaning your car, home, or office. No cords, no limits. Its powerful motor sucks up crumbs, dust, and pet hair in seconds. Lightweight, rechargeable, and ready to tackle any mess wherever you go. Privacy that appears and disappears with a tap. Pretty futuristic, right? This smart film turns from clear to frosted instantly, giving you privacy or openness whenever you want. Just peel, stick, and power it on. It blocks UV rays, cuts down heat, and even works as a high-contrast projection screen for movies or presentations. Perfect for windows, partitions, or car sunroofs, you control how much the world sees. Cool air without spinning blades. That's the beauty of this sleek tower fan. It delivers a steady, powerful breeze while staying whisper quiet, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. You can adjust the speed, set a timer, and control everything with a remote from across the room. The wide-angle oscillation spreads cool air evenly. Safe, stylish, and effortless, it's comfort made smarter. Your desk setup just got an upgrade. This RGB soundbar brings rich stereo sound and deep bass in a sleek, space-saving design that fits perfectly under your monitor. The dynamic lighting syncs with your music, creating a mini light show while you work or game. Control the volume easily with a smooth knob and simple touch controls. Just plug it in, press play, and let the vibes take over. Tired legs deserve more than just rest. They deserve a full spa session. This 2-in-1 foot and calf massager melts away fatigue with soothing heat, deep kneading, and gentle compression. It even transforms into a cozy ottoman when not in use. Adjustable angles let you find the perfect position, and the washable covers keep things fresh. Your feet, ankles, and calves have never felt this good. Seasoning just got smarter. These electric salt and pepper grinders do the work for you with one simple touch. They recharge on a sleek base that powers both at once and keeps your counter spotless. You can adjust the grind from coarse to fine with a quick twist, and even see your seasoning with the built-in LED light. Clean, quick, and seriously convenient for any kitchen. One charger to rule them all. This 7-in-1 wireless station powers your phone, earbuds, smartwatch, and more, all at once. It even syncs time via Bluetooth and doubles as a clock with ambient lighting you can adjust for the perfect glow. Say goodbye to messy cables and tangled cords. Sleek, fast, and efficient, it keeps your entire setup charged, organized, and ready for anything. Light up your space without lifting a finger. This ultra-thin motion sensor LED turns on automatically when it detects movement, perfect for cabinets, closets, or hallways. It's USB powered, so you can plug it into a wall, laptop, or power bank. 3 lighting modes let you choose the brightness that suits your needs. Easy to install, energy efficient, and practical. It brightens your path while saving power. Summer just got a cool upgrade. This 2-in-1 bottle doubles as both an ice maker and a drink container, so you can freeze, press, and sip, all from the same cup. Just fill it up, pop it in the freezer, and press the top to release perfectly shaped ice cubes in seconds. It even comes with a built-in straw so you can drink straight from the bottle. Compact, clever, and ready to chill wherever you go. Peeling just got smarter. This electric peeler takes the effort out of prepping fruits and veggies. Just press a button and watch it glide through the skin in seconds. No more sore hands or wasted time. It automatically adjusts to the shape of your produce, peeling everything from potatoes to apples with precision. With spare blades and built-in storage, you will always be ready for your next kitchen task. Meet the world's first robot made just for your bed. This smart little cleaner glides over mattresses, sofas, and carpets using UV light and strong suction to remove dust and allergens you can't even see. It navigates safely with edge detection, so no falling or bumping. Just place it, press start, and relax while it does the work. It's cordless, compact, and gives you a cleaner, healthier space effortlessly. Tired of cold food ruining the party? This extra-large warming mat keeps every dish perfectly hot and ready to serve. With 6 adjustable heat levels, you can keep soups steamy or desserts gently warm without overcooking. It heats up fast, rolls up for easy storage, and wipes clean in seconds. Whether it's family dinner or a big buffet, this mat keeps the warmth and the good vibes flowing. Say goodbye to awkward selfies and shaky videos. This smart camera ring lets you snap photos, record videos, and even zoom, all without touching your phone. Just wear it on your finger and control your camera from up to 30 feet away. You can switch between front and rear cameras, scroll through short videos, or flip ebook pages hands-free. It's rechargeable, compact, and a total game changer for content creators. Dry your clothes anywhere. No laundry room required. This compact dryer uses warm air and smart airflow to dry your clothes fast, all while staying whisper quiet. You can set the timer, let it work, and come back to fresh, dry laundry in under an hour. It even uses built-in UV light to help keep fabrics clean and odor-free. Perfect for apartments, travel, or anyone short on space, but big on convenience. Meet the dustpan that cleans itself. This touchless vacuum activates automatically when you sweep near it. No bending, no scooping, no mess left behind. With 1,400 watts of suction, it instantly pulls in dirt, hair, and crumbs from any hard floor. Dual filters trap dust and return clean air to the room. It's the perfect cleanup buddy for kitchens, salons, and homes with pets. Always on and always ready. Wrinkled clothes? Not anymore. This smart clothing care system refreshes, smooths, and revives your outfits in just 10 minutes. No ironing board needed. Adjustable hangers and pocket smoothers keep every piece perfectly in place while the cleaning pods work their magic. It removes odors, reduces wrinkles, and restores fabric freshness in a single cycle. Fast, effortless, and fabric-friendly. It's like a mini dry cleaner right in your home. Who knew a fuse box could look this good? This decorative cover hides your electrical panel behind a modern feather-patterned frame that doubles as wall art. It flips open easily, so you still have full access whenever needed. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, it keeps dust and moisture out while keeping style in. Simple to mount with traceless nails, it's the perfect blend of function and design. Turn your daily routine into a moment of calm. This elegant bathroom faucet blends smooth curves with a shining chrome finish that instantly elevates your space. The spout swivels a full 360 degrees and comes with a pull-out hose so you can reach every corner of the sink with ease. Choose from 4 spray modes: rainfall, stream, waterfall, or upward spray to match your mood or task. Simple, sleek, and soothing, it brings both beauty and comfort to your bathroom. No more heavy lifting or messy pouring. This smart water dispenser sits neatly on your counter and pumps water automatically with just a button press. You can even choose how much you want. 7 preset options let you fill a glass, bottle, or jug perfectly every time. It's rechargeable, quiet, and easy to detach for cleaning or travel. Perfect for your bedside, office, or outdoor adventures. Fresh water, hands-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.